Okay, lovely people, Danny Build is back in his new shop with pink walls. Wonderful. No, this was a shop where they were making clothing before, so I guess there were more women than men working inside. Otherwise, I wouldn't explain the pink. But at some point, if I stay in this place, I'm gonna paint it in another color if I have time to, because I'm already very busy. Mostly organizing the shop here. CNC machine that you saw in my previous video being rebuilt with aluminum profile, coming along very nicely. There's a video on the build, although I don't show how I do literally the building things, but I will explain how I have done it, because I don't have a proper filming rig. Also, bit of a mess here, but trust me, it was much worse 2 days ago. All bunch of boxes of like that were lying around here, tools scattered on the floor, everything all over the place. But now, thanks also to this green thing and that I got for free from a neighbor, it's much more organized. And that rolling cabinet that serves as a working surface is an outfeed table for my table saw, and also has drawers where I can put my boxes with tools inside. It's looking much better. There's more space in here. I plan on building at least one or maybe two more of that, so I can get rid of the baby crib reinvented as a table, and the other table on workhorses. Working on a Cyclone separator that is not working at the moment because it has vacuum leaks all over the place. I need to fix that. Table saw I built this very ugly, but trust me, really effective and super aligned and square table for the DeWalt DW745, probably the most sold table saw on the market for us hobbyists and professional. Well, yeah, nice bunch of rubbish here. Toilet here, not gonna show everything because it's a bit, it needs to be cleaned. It's all new. I mean, I'm here since 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever. I'm gonna show you the office. There's a small office here. Safety shoes. Yeah. This is a small office that I will mainly use to, do basic administration and edit videos and design products on the computer that I will then build either by hand or pass it to the beast downstairs. Yeah, as I was saying, this is a bit overkill for a home shop. It's because I'm starting a business. A lot happened in my life lately. I became a father. I quit my job. I moved country together with my wife, and I'm jumping into this whole new thing. But I'm going to keep my business separated from the Danny Builds channel. Danny Builds channel is the Danny Builds channel. I do it for fun. I do it for interacting with you guys, giving and receiving advice mostly also on how to build and do stuff. I hope this will be sorted out much better in the next days, weeks, and looking better for the next videos. So yeah, exciting times, and I have a lot of work to do, so I'm gonna leave you now, and I don't want to make long boring videos where I only do the talking. And yeah, just so you know though, you will see me building products that I'm gonna sell on my company, but I'm not gonna talk about my company. I'm only gonna show you how to build the products if I do it by hand, and if I feel like that product can be shown, because that probably must be something that I want to keep as a trade secret or so. Yes, this is it. Thank you for watching, and to the next update, guys.